Welcome back to another video. I'm gonna clean fish. Sinapa fish. This is lemon. This is a big lemon, and this is lime. So I'm gonna show you guys. I already cleaned them up, so I'm gonna show you how I wash the inside of the fish. See, fish already clean. Take a look. So this is how I clean my fish. Rub out the head like this. Rub them out. See, clean. Rub them out like this. Is how I clean them. More cleaning. See, it's a lot of fish. See, more fish. Look at them. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Fresh fish. More fish. So then I squeeze out this lemon in there. Lime, lemon and lime. Just want you guys to see how I clean fish. Over here now is salt and water and lime. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to squeeze the lime in the water and put them to soak in it. It's not too salty. This is the way I was when I was growing up. This is where my grandmother do it. So I do it, I just follow her footstep. So that's how I'm gonna do it. See, clean more fish. Okay, fish them clean and nice. Just rub out the head like this. See, rub it out. Stay tuned. This is what the fish look like. I have it in the salt water soaking for when I soak it for about an hour. Stay tuned.
King Beats.
I'm gonna take out some of the second set of fish. See the first set here. The thing wasn't recording before. That's when the eye drop off the time I turn it. Looking good. Over here, this is some garlic, halfway fry. I'm gonna make the carrot, bell pepper, onion for the Escovitch fish. This is the carrot. This is the oxtail here. I'm gonna cook oxtail and curry chicken. And I'm gonna make some brown stew fish. Stay tuned. Over here, I'm gonna add in the bell pepper. See bell pepper here? this carrot here, I get trouble. Come out. See, I put the bell pepper in it. See, bell pepper. So I'm gonna do the onion next and some vinegar. Over here is the oxtail cooking. Over here, so is the bell pepper. See, I put it in the pot. I'm just gonna have this. Then I'm gonna add onion in it and some vinegar and pepper. Right here is the oxtail cooking. I'm going to put in some onion. See onion? I already pour some vinegar in the pot. I'm also gonna cut some pepper. See pepper? I don't cook with a lot of pepper because you know you have small children that gonna eat from the food, so you have to. So that's why I don't cook with a lot of pepper. I can add pepper after. See, pepper, pepper. I'm going to put on the onion. See, onion, carrot, and bell pepper and pepper, everything, and this, and vinegar. I add vinegar to it. I'm gonna decorate the fish. This is how I do it. This is the escovitch. This is the brown straw fish. I already put them in. I have carrot in there. I have bell pepper. I have onion, and I have fresh garlic and thyme. And also about one of this full of ketchup. And then garlic powder, a little bit of black pepper, and a little bit of complete seasoning. So this is how I cook my brown straw fish. See? Yeah. Over here the oxtail. Right here the oxtail. See the pressure cooker going on? See, the brown straw fish is finished. Take a look. Finished cook. Then I put on the potato to make rice and beans. I'm gonna make kungo rice and peas and curry chicken. Stay tuned. This is the chicken breast right here, and this is the curry already burned. So I'm gonna pour this in, and I'm gonna add some fresh garlic in it, and then some onion, thyme, and the other rest of seasoning them. We soon come back. This is the garlic and onion for this. I'm gonna add it right now. Then this I'm gonna add potato and carrot. Over here is the pigeon peas, otherwise called gungo. This is it cooking. See, curry looking good. Stay tuned. Look at the curry chicken. Bubbling. I'm gonna add the carrot in it. Over here is the rice. Rice is the peas for the rice. So I'm gonna add the rice in. See that the rice already washed. See, this is the pigeon peas right here. I'm gonna turn up the curry. I already add Irish in it, potato, and everything else in it. Stay tuned. Curry chicken is finished. Oxtail is finished. Gungo rice and peas is finished. Take a look. I'm gonna juice the carrot. I started already, but the angle of the picture was not that bright, so I have to start it over to show you guys more. This is the juicer right here. See the rest, this is the juice I get from it, from the carrot. Stay tuned. See, I'm gonna mix the carrot juice to the milk right here. Gonna pour it in. Nutmeg gonna be in it, and vanilla, and a little bit of rose and almond. The carrot juice is finished mixing. This is what it looks like. The only thing it needs now is just some ice. Stay tuned. This is Escovitch fish. This is oxtail right in the middle right here. This is brown stew fish. This is curry chicken over here. And this is the gungo rice and peas over here. You come to the end of the video. Please remember to like, to share, and to subscribe. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this video.